Hi guys, on today's video I'm gonna unbox my new iPad. I'm also gonna try it for the first time and I'll give you my thoughts at the end and I'm gonna explain why I decided to buy it. All this time I've been drawing with traditional art supplies like watercolor and pastels. And when I wanted to do something digital for my pet portraits, I was using this tablet that you see on screen right now. But as you can see, it's a little bit of annoying because it takes a lot of space and it has so many cables. But sometimes I just wanted to go to a coffee shop and be able to draw digital, but I couldn't take all this stuff with me. Same when I wanted to travel, I couldn't pack my big digital tablet because it took so much space. So for a long time I was thinking that I wanted to start to do digital illustration, and I saw so many videos about this iPad and the app that I'm gonna show you soon that I decided to invest on it because I want to start my business as an illustrator and not just pet artist, which I'm gonna keep doing, but I wanna draw more stuff and maybe make some stationery items with the help of this iPad. So that's why I decided to buy it. This is the app that I was talking about. The name is Procreate, and a lot of illustrators use it. It's just $10 for it and you just pay once. So I wanted to try it and start taking some maybe tutorials, to watch some tutorials on YouTube of how to do it. So I just started to draw on it as soon as I got it, but I still have to learn a lot. The pencil is so smooth. It's like using a real pencil. You can work on the pressure that you want to put on it, on the line. But I think it's way simpler, how can I say, it's way easier to draw on the iPad, because if you want to work on little details, you can just zoom on it and work on the details like the eyes or the nose, for example. Also, if you make a mistake, it's so simple to erase it, and you can work on layers, which makes it easier. When you make a mistake, you don't have to erase everything. Of course, this doesn't mean that I'm not gonna keep drawing with traditional supplies, because I like both. But I think this is easier when I want to make stickers or some stationery stuff. I'll show you eventually. This is not a tutorial because, as I told you, I'm learning, but eventually I'm going to show you some of the ideas that I have, and I'm going to start another online shop where you're going to be able to see the things I want to work on. It's so easy to color it. It's very relaxing, I have to confess. I know there is a tool where you can use color the whole area with just one move. But coloring like this makes it so relaxing that I just decided to do it. Once I get better, I promise I'm gonna upload some videos of me drawing, or once I get the idea of what I want to do, I'm gonna definitely film myself drawing with it, and I'm gonna show you how good I'm at by then because right now I'm actually not that good. But anyway guys, this is the reason why I bought it. I think it's really cool. I hope I can learn fast, and so far I love it. But I'm gonna give you my final thoughts maybe in 1 month when I work with it more, and I'll let you know what I think. Thank you so much for watching guys, and if you like my channel, please subscribe and hit like, and I'll see you next time.